YouTube tutorials are wonderful to learn from, but some of them can be really long. And who has the time to sit through a video just to get to the part that you want to actually learn about? Well, this is where timestamps come in the description, but also there's a new thing that I see called chapters. And this is how you do it. So I've clicked on one of my videos that I put timestamps in to try to help my teachers get to the part of the video that they want to get to quickly and easily. But if I hit play, you're going to see that this line right here at the bottom, it's just going along and fast forwarding the time. So I'm quickly and easily able kind of to see in that preview window where I would be in the video. But that really doesn't help me. What I did to try to help my teachers out was I went down below in the description, and you can see that I titled everything and the time that it started at. Now what YouTube does is it automatically takes that time and makes it a URL or a link to the spot in that video. It's a very, very cool piece. But what I've just learned is that if we add a title and then 0:00, it should put in areas in this video right along here called chapters. And what that's going to do is it's going to chunk it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in right now, and we're going to see if it works. I'm back, and if you can see this, I'm going to try to make it full screen for us. You can see there are little blocks that have separated themselves with these little cut lines. And it looks like almost like a strip of film that's been cut up. Just by adding that beginning title and marking it with a 0:00, it now is showing all of the different chunks of my video and the titles that go with it. So you don't have to look in the description below, and now you're able just to hover over this timeline and find not only the title of what it is, but how long it actually is. And you can see this part is a longer piece right here, text, voice, and video annotations, and some of them are a little bit shorter, how to use a text box, for instance. So I hope that chapters becomes a part of what you do in your YouTube tutorials, and I hope this video helped.